Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to deploy Ola hallengren backup scripts and index maintenance scripts. It's all in one solution in SQL Server 2022. Select the instance, right click new query, go to Ola hallengren, download this maintenance solution. This is the I already downloaded. Just select all, okay, and go to SSMS, paste it here. So right now there is no jobs, okay, only one job, one, this is the default job, okay. So now scroll to up. So here you need to declare these things. Okay. So where we need to deploy the backup. So I need to declare the backup path. So now I'm going to this backup path. So I always recommend to give the network path. So instead of if you press the null, it will go to the default directory. So okay. So you have to give in the inside the quotation, single quotation. So clean up tab for every uh, 30 days. I need to clean up, or for every uh, 45 hours. So here we need to mention in the hours. So output, if it is output direct null means, so it is going to create the separate folder location and now every in the notepad files. Okay, I mean to say okay, here I will um, it will going to write to that file node files in that location. Okay, it will, if you know don't mention this, it will write to SQL Server error log. So it will give the additional burden to the to the SQL Server. Okay, so this is by default is why because it is going to create one table and it will also write all the success messages into that table. Okay, so this is how simple we need to configure it. Once you done this, press execute. So command successful. Go to jobs, click refresh and see all jobs will get created. Command log cleanup means, so here I have deployed this in the master database. Go to master database in the tables. This it is going to record all these table. What are the backups happening or failures or both success? It is going to write in this. Okay, so okay, you this log command will truncate, will delete the changes tables with the one specific interval time met. Means we need to schedule that how for how long we need to run that. Okay, so now this is my user databases. Okay, for example, if you open that full, go to steps and execute this. So this is user databases. If you don't want to exclude anything, press comma hyphen. What are the database that you want to exclude? You can mention that. Okay, so this is how simple it was. So now only thing is based on the transactions. For example, if your data base is hitting with so many transactions, so you can configure the log backup at every 15 minutes or 10. It all depends upon the your requirement. So right now, once jobs is configured, your job is right to schedule it how often it should be run. Okay, so let's assume that I have configured schedule and everything. To test this, I am going to start the job, whether it is going to success or failure. Yeah, it got success, full backup. Okay, now so what I mean to say is this is very simple. Instead of configuring our native maintenance jobs and everything, so I always prefer, so in my company as well, we are going to use this one only. Okay, now I am going to uninstall it. How? Okay, so now go to FAQs here, select a control F install. Okay, now here is the script. Press enter. Go to remove this. Yeah, it got successful. Now Go to jobs, refresh. See, all jobs got deleted. So this is how you can install. Okay, the what are the what we deploy the whole and grain backup scripts. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.